very blessed and honored to be able to do this for our veterans who have committed their lives of service to not only our country, but to their communities. They never stop giving.
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last?
Minnetonka, in this room, you will see we have veterans who have served or are serving or planning to serve our country. Each of these people display honor, courage, commitment, and discipline in serving and protecting our country.
My grandfather's parents were born in Italy, and he served in the Army Air Force in World War II. My grandfather drove his ambulance to every B-17 and 10-man crew who made it back to England. Some alive, but many dead. As we look at all of you sitting here with us, we have no way of knowing when you were young, what you know now, experienced, or carry with you as veterans.
Most of us go about living our lives and enjoying sports and school and social media and all of those things. But today we come back and know how we are able to do all of those things. The freedom that has been secured by our veterans is why we're able to live a free life. And so we're here to honor our veterans. We're also here to educate our young people so that they understand the sacrifices that have been made.
Today's the day we honor our veterans, but it's not just about valor in combat or awards. Today we honor the hundreds of thousands of people that have raised their hand and swore to be a part of something bigger than themselves.
God bless America, land that I love.
Captain Eric Dalbin, United States Army. Petty Officer, 3rd Class, Joshua Click. Lance Corporal Dan Warden, United States Marine Corps.
We will only remain the land of the free so long as we are home of the brave.